So I have my onions cooking. I want to try the grape jelly meatballs, but I'm adding my own little twang to it, and I wanted to add, I got this from a farm. I'm going to put a little bit of this. So I'll be back. I just put the Vidalia onion. Well, yeah, actually Vidalia onion, sweet onion relish. I just put some garlic. I usually, when I did the barbecue meatballs, I put it with applesauce. But this one I'm going with, I'm going to try a new one with grape jelly. Okay, so I have the meatballs. I'm just going to fry them just a little bit with the seasoning, well, with the onions. I'm about to put the barbecue sauce in and the grape jelly. Put in the barbecue sauce, and I also put this. I got it wet, so it looks a little. I'm putting the rest of the barbecues. I just put the sweet and tangy one, and then I'm putting this one. And I'm going to put the I should put like some I put all ingredients. I put the grape jelly. Now when it evaporates, I'm just going to put it in the oven under broil to like char it a little tiny bit. And of course, I'm going to put a little bit of this. I can kind of open it too, being as though it's a sauce. Look at all them vegetables. Chunks of vegetables in there. I want to put a little bit of caramelized onion seasoning as well. So this is out of the oven. I kind of left them in there too long, a little bit, but it's still good.